You guys 6 o'clock in the morning waiting for the night.
Good morning, YouTube fam. My boy's getting gas station. Well, not gas station, some gas at the gas station. But that's my ride in the back. And what's up, bro? Let's see his face in the morning. Guys, why are you mad, bro?
Tired.
That's it?
Oh, you see how expensive that shit is?
I know, bro. We gotta go to the next spot.
I fill my gas up in.
Expensive.
I fill my gas up in Long Island.
3.97. That's crazy. So I follow you?
I'll follow you.
Alright. Yeah, we got one here. Got him throwing up.
Put your head on my
Hey, we got more pulling up. Oh, it's that midnight.
It's not midnight.
Look at those lights. That's a V2 lights right there. Nice. That's dope. We got more people to show up. Guys, check this out. We got donuts this time.
Like the zippers and they reach up. Yeah, like.
Oh, look what we got.
Hot donuts.
Nice. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. Look at that back. I love that back of that one. Silver?
Wow, bro, that red car fucked everything up. Why would you do that, bro? Oh, he's
moving up.
Oh, that's definitely.
Oh, they're here, bro. I love this. Look at this thing. This is a beast. I'll get to it in a few. Nice. Come here. Nice. We got 2021 right there. Nice. Oh, that pink. That's cute. Those touring wheel stuff. Yeah, go ahead, bro. Do your thing. Guys, you guys never heard his exhaust, so it's the first time actually we're going to get a clip for you guys right now. Look at that. We're going to get a nice clip. Nice. Perfect, bro. There you have it. It's that beautiful Acura right here. About to get some nice clips from the back for y'all. Well, we already know this guy's right here. It's a 2.0. Yes, this duckbill, guys. Good thing. This one is different. You guys have seen it before. So you can also put it right behind this, the OEM one, or you can take it off and plug in the holes. You know, I would suggest getting a vinyl, like a gloss blue vinyl, and put it over in small pieces and heat it up to cover that spot. This one we did a blacked out. That's beautiful. That's what I want right there. Akasaka diffuser, I black out my taillights. That's what I want. That's beautiful. Got Akasaka diffuser on the blue one. Nice. This thing is a bomb right here. This thing is lit. Hey, we got more pulling up. Cheers.
Ella got the smoke. Yeah, but look, ella got the smoke, these are the red.
What's up, John? Come clean this time, huh? I like that. What's up, fellas? Nice.
Yo, who put the lime green on today?
Lime green. That's how it looks when I split up. Some bags right there.
Everything good, everything good.
What are you doing, Flacco? Keep going, keep going. Man, this thing is nice. Look at this. This is the nicest silver Accord I've seen. You guys got a silver Accord? Look at that Porsche. Woo. Wow. This is really nice. Silver Accord, guys. Yo, DM teamxaccord if you guys want to join the team. Right there, see, they got their banners. So DM them, I'll put their IG in the description below. Those wheels are huge. I love this one. This is nice. Nicest silver Accord I've seen. Look at these quad tips. They're awesome. I think they're, how many inches are these? Yeah, they're 3-inch quad tips. How they're gonna look, guys, if you get them. Yep. And then he's got his wheels right there, wheel setup. It's nice. Check it out. And he's got spacers as well right there. I can see them. So I saw they flush out. Spacers on. Hey guys, this is dope. Dope silver Accord I've seen so far. The rest, that's there chilling. We got hash pulling up. Yes. Oh, before we do that, check this out. That's a beast right here. Ooh.
That's how you feel? Okay.
That is a beast. Nah, it looks good to me. That's a few spots.
Nah, this armor on plastic
That is
white
nice.
is
You got the
fire,
brace
trust
kit
me.
right there. Cover. Nice. Let's go. Look at that, Ash is here finally. Look at his new wheels he got. Look at that. These are his new wheels he got. Upgrade. Now he's getting bags soon, so that's gonna be exciting. I'm excited to see how that looks, how it turns out for him, the bags. But if he gets spacers and stuff over there, then he might have to roll the fenders. Oh, those guys got cambers and bags. These two right here. Look at this. Look how flat this is the ground. We're about to go get another donut real quick. Yeah, man, I'm hungry.
That's really good.
Yeah.
The donuts they got.
Which one should we get?
I'm getting
There's more right here, right?
I can't wait. Get another one, bro.
Another?
Yeah.
For it. Yo, Ash, what donut you want? I think I want this one. Ace is here. I see you first time without your hat. That's Ace, guys. Yeah, ask him. Because you got an EUDM as well. I don't know if you got it with the coils. Look at this midnight blue. It's so dark blue. It gets darker and it gets lighter. Really dope color. Not his wheels.
So it's a quiet car, but once you straight pipe when you're driving, then you're gonna hear like a little, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna sound like an Infiniti or a BMW. man.
What exhaust is it?
That's no exhaust. Straight pipe.
Straight pipe?
That's straight pipe.
Brother, I want to hear it. I never heard it. Straight pipe is usually all the way from the front.
He means
Why does it feel like every opponent has a different sound? That's what I'm saying. Nice. No, some of them just sound a little bit lighter, different tone. I don't know why. I want the diffuser though.